Bang! What up, Smart Rapper gang? Today I have something that I personally realized that really helped me start making more music, okay? This video is gonna help you do this slight mental shift that's gonna help you make more music better, okay? So let's go through this. This is something that subliminally was hurting the amount of music that I was creating on and the amount of time that I was spending creating music, okay? Now bear with me here because it may sound a little bit crazy, but I can promise you it's gonna make a huge difference in the long run. And remember, I try to give you guys and girls these tips, these slight little things that give you the edge on other artists so you can be better. So check this out. How does it feel to you if I tell you this? If I say, hey, you gotta go to work. You gotta go to work. More work needs to be done. The word work sounds like what? It sounds like a task we really just don't wanna do. Right? Well, I'm telling you this because I caught myself doing this all the time and it really hurt the amount of music that I made. Every time I would go to work on music, I would say just that. I have to work on music. I'm going to work on music. I stopped myself one day about 3 months ago and I said, did I just say work on music? I should never be working on music. It's not a job. Music is something that's supposed to be fun to me, fun to you. You know, I should be saying I need to be creating music or making music, not work on music. See how that word sounds? I need to be creating music, not working on music. See, the word work just sounds like what? It sounds like work. It sounds like a task. Since I've started saying create music instead of saying work on music when I think about, creating music, I found that I find myself wanting to do it more. And I found myself actually doing it more because of that. It seems like more fun or something that I really want to do because it's not associated with work. Creation is artistic and fun. Working is work. Work sounds like work. Remember the saying, if we love what we do, if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life, right? So this video is to help you make that slight small change and start saying, I am going to go create more music or make more music. Instead of saying, I'm going to go work on music. And I can guarantee within a month, you'll be creating and making more music than you were before if you were saying work. Give it a try. I wouldn't have spent the time to make this video if it didn't really honestly, experience it myself and believe that it's going to help you create more music, create better music, and get further in your music career faster. Small changes add up to big things. You just became a little bit smarter. Hit me with a comment, hit me with a like, please hit the subscribe button, I really appreciate it. And remember, I release a new video every day and the Smart Rapper community is finally up and it's launched. You can join the mixtape level for 100% free and get hundreds of dollars of free courses, free stuff, A&R contacts, almost 200 music industry contract templates that you can use to prevent yourself from getting screwed in the future. All that stuff, links are gonna be below for you. Remember, go out there, create music. It's not work. You're creating, you're making, you're being creative. It's not a job. Go create. See you guys tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. Boom!